Hey, and welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another skating video, finally. Today I'm going to take you through a few tips on how to be more graceful on the ice and how to improve on your lines, your arms, and your posture. And the first thing I'm going to talk about is our extensions. So what I'm talking about when I say extensions, I'm talking about that line that goes through your entire leg all the way to your toes, which gets really overlooked, and we really need to make sure that we remind ourselves to focus on this whenever we're on the ice. So it's really easy. You can add these to any exercises or whenever you have some extensions in the exercise. For example, whenever you're doing a jump, you do a landing. So it's a really great chance for you to really focus on that extension. Basically, making sure to turn out that hip, to stretch your knee and point your toe. And you do a lot of jumps, so it's a great opportunity, as well as just practicing on arabesques on the ice or off the ice to really get that in your brain. Next important step is the posture. So our posture is just something that is very hard to achieve. This is something you need to practice on and off the ice. Trying to open up those shoulders, bringing those shoulders back, and lifting from your upper body and even the neck. You can practice on this in any exercise. Some great exercises just doing plain crossovers and really finding that opening and lifting of that upper body. Try not to bring the shoulders in, but rather opening them up. Another great opportunity is to work on them in your exits. So really lifting up, lifting that posture. And here I am showing you the difference as to what it would look like if you were to do crossovers with a bad posture. So really opening up here, allowing your shoulders to be in the same line as your hips rather than closing in. Same thing with back crossovers. You don't want to close those shoulders, you want to open them up and really feel like there's a string attached to your body and pulling you from the top, lifting you up. And finally, bringing us to our final tip, the arms. So our arms often get overlooked as well. We're usually told just to keep them out to the side. Sometimes we're not even told what to do with them at all, or we're not even corrected about our arms. So here I'm just showing you a few exercises you can do to add the most simplest arm movements to the most simplest exercises. For example, 2-foot glides, edges outside and inside, forwards and backwards, adding them to crossovers, to 3 turns. And at the beginning, you can just start with one arm, then maybe the other arm, then 2 arms, maybe bringing the arms forward or up and down. And here I'm even going to show you some arm movements you can do in swizzles. So it's that easy. And you don't need to do this just on the ice. You can practice your arm movements as well as at home or off the ice. Just practicing on some flowy arm movements, practicing on your posture. And this is just going to make the whole process much easier. So I will add some ballet arm exercises in the description as well as in the right-hand corner to give you an idea on what you can do at home to practice on the posture and your arms. So everybody, I'm so glad you joined me here on this video, and I'm so glad to be back with skating videos. It makes me really happy to film these again. So if you have any suggestions, please leave them in the comments. And until next time, bye everybody. And if you liked this kind of content, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This really supports my channel. And if you'd like to see even more content like this, check out my Instagram in the description. I post a lot of skating tips and skating content there.